What does it take to build the aftermarket's most successful TPMS service solution? Innovation, insight, and a relentless focus on making TPMS service faster, simpler, and more profitable. For more than a decade, Autel has helped shape the evolution of TPMS service by understanding the real challenges technicians and shop owners face every day. Broader vehicle coverage, faster service, simplified inventory, and keeping pace with rapidly evolving vehicle technology. The result is a complete TPMS ecosystem designed to help shops work smarter, improve efficiency, and deliver better service. Today, Autel offers the aftermarket's best-selling programmable TPMS sensors, covering 99.9% of passenger vehicles on the road. The Autel One sensor combines dual-frequency technology, broad coverage, interchangeable valve stems, and push and valve release design into one versatile solution. As vehicle technology advances, Autel's programmable Bluetooth sensors support the latest generation of TPMS-equipped vehicles while providing a cost-effective alternative to OE solutions. Autel also reimagined TPMS service with a complete family of tools. From sensor activation and diagnostics to programming and relearn procedures. Solutions like the TS900 and TS508 Wi-Fi simplify every step of the workflow. Integrated platforms such as the TS900 and MS906 Pro TS combine advanced TPMS functionality with comprehensive vehicle diagnostics in a single solution. The laser-enabled TBE200 adds precise measurements of tire tread depth and brake disc wear with a full-color interface that visualizes wear conditions and generates service recommendations. Autel's TPMS innovation extends beyond passenger vehicles. The CVS A01 programmable sensor covers approximately 95% of TPMS-equipped commercial vehicles, while the TS600CV delivers dedicated TPMS service for light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks and trailers. Modern TPMS service is about more than completing repairs. It's about making smarter business decisions. That's why Autel developed TPMS Vision, a cloud-connected platform that captures and organizes TPMS service data, providing insight into technician activity, sensor health, service compliance, replacement demand, and overall performance. Behind every Autel TPMS solution is a commitment to quality, innovation, and reliability. Inside Autel's automated manufacturing facilities, advanced systems operate around the clock, producing a TPMS sensor every 4 seconds to ensure dependable global supply. From innovative sensors and award-winning tools to cloud intelligence and advanced manufacturing, every part of the Autel TPMS solution is designed to help customers work smarter, operate more efficiently, and deliver better service. Innovation, coverage, intelligence, reliability. This is the Autel TPMS Advantage.